Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the essentials and launching the payment setup. On your phone, open Google Wallet and sign into your Google account. Make sure the Galaxy Watch 7 is paired and Bluetooth is active. Once done, enable NFC on the watch in settings so the tap-to-pay hardware is ready. Now add a card on the phone, tap plus, follow bank verification steps, and accept terms. Doing this on the phone pushes the secure token to the watch, so the watch becomes payment-ready without retyping card details. You'll now transfer or add the card directly to the Galaxy Watch 7. Open the Wallet app on the watch and tap Add Card. You can select the card that was pushed from your phone or enter one manually using the watch camera helper via the phone. Next, follow the bank's verification flow, SMS code, bank app approval, or quick call, because the watch needs a verified token to authorize contactless payments. Once verification clears, the card appears in Wallet on the watch and is ready to use at NFC terminals. You're ready to pay. Wake the watch, press the side button or open Wallet, select the card, and hold the watch face close to the terminal until you see a confirmation. If a payment is declined, make sure NFC is enabled and the card status in Wallet shows verified. Sometimes the token expires or fails to sync. If you hit issues, restart both devices, check the phone's Google Wallet for the card token, and re-add the card on the watch if necessary. This usually resolves token or sync failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.